Okay, everyone, please stand up. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, Ma'am Polly. Okay, sit down. Let us pray first at Tina. Okay, everyone, please stand up and let us pray.
Let us all put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Dear Lord, Heavenly Father, may you bless this very day that you have given us, Lord, and all the days that shall pass, Lord. I pray, Lord, that you will guide us in the day, every single hour, Lord, that may we learn a lot of things, may we obtain a lot of wisdom from this lesson, Lord, that is about to be prepared. Let us all thank the Lord for all his blessings that shall pass. In the name of the Lord Jesus Christ.
Amen. Okay, everyone, please sit down. Let us check the attendance. So, how many are present today? So, we have 21. How many are absent? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 absences only. Okay, so I think we're good. So, last time, I think we studied about genetic engineering, right? Tama ba? Yes. Okay, so, ayan. So, our lesson for today is about a continuation of genetic engineering. Okay, so as an objective, okay, so at the end of the lesson, we should be able to identify and describe the benefits and risks of using GMOs. And then number 2, can you please read Nueva?
Evaluate the ethical implications of using GMOs.
Okay, how about number 3? Thank you, Angelo.
Number 2, present a reason for your research for or against the use for engineering oil test and supported by scientific evidence.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let us have a quick review of our lesson last time. So last time we studied about genetic engineering. So what is genetic engineering again? In your own words, you can answer. What is genetic engineering? Athena?
Genetic engineering is changing the sequence of your DNA to form a new DNA sequence or to have something newly made being according to your own modification.
Okay, very good. So genetic engineering is actually involves changing the genetic makeup of an organism. Okay? It is an example is altering the DNA, as per Athena, of cattle to provide resistance to medical disease. Okay, so for today, we are going to study about again GMO or genetically modified organisms, its benefits and risks. But before we go to that, we are going to have the pre-test. Okay, I'm going to give you a pre-test first. This is only easy. So this is a 5 points multiple choice kind of test. Okay, so what are you going to do? You just need to write your name and then the date today. And then you're going to paste it in your notebook. Okay, so you're going to encircle the correct answer. So I'll be giving you the paper, then I'll be giving you 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to answer the test. Please get one and pass. Okay. You can answer, you can use the paper in answering and then later on, let's exchange paper. Okay, please pass. You can start answering now. Okay, again, encircle the letter of the correct answer. But please don't forget to write your name, and the date today is December 11. Pencils up if you're done already, yeah. Done. Any extra paper? Do you have any extra paper? done. Pencils up if you're done already. So, again. 4. Okay. Okay, if we're done already, can you please exchange paper? Okay, exchange paper, please. And then write corrected by below the paper you are checking. Okay, so what is the answer for number 1? What is the primary objective of genetically modified organism? What do you think is the correct answer? C. Okay, C stands for improving crop characteristics. Can you give the answer for number 2, Angelo? What is a potential benefit associated with the use of GMOs?
Letter C.
What's the answer to C?
Improving resistance.
Okay, very good. The answer is definitely C. Okay, number 3, can you please read an answer? Okay, Jerome. Answer is C. What is C? Can you please read the C? Okay, allergic reaction is something difficult. Very good. How about number 4? Rhea. What area does? Read first. What area does? Answer is? Okay, agriculture, environment, and human health. Very good. How about number 5? Who wants to answer? Adeline. You can answer first.
Letter C, potential harm to non-GMO crops.
Read the question.
What is a potential risk associated with the use of GMOs
In
in
agriculture. So the answer is
C.
C, potential harm to non-GMO crops. Okay? So let me see who got why. This is for the pre-test. Okay? How many got 5? Please raise your hand. How many got 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 got 5. Okay, how many got 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so how many got 3? 1, 1, 2. How many got 2? None. How many got 1? Wala rin. 1. How many got 0? Wala naman. Okay, so let's count. Parang kulang. 19. Apat lang ang set. How many are included? Di ba 21? Ha? Okay, so we're only 20 except Mark. Okay, so kulang pa rin ng isa.
Si Ashley, ma'am. Ashley.
Ashley is? Okay. So you got 5. Okay, so 21. So let's see if this one will improve later. Okay, so can you please take your paper? Okay, you put it inside your quiz notebook. Okay, so we're going to have the t-test again. Okay, post test later. Okay, let's move along. So these are the keywords that we need to remember. Number 1 is transgenic. What is the meaning of transgenic? Can you please read, Yanni?
Transgenic means describing organisms whose genetic material has been altered by introducing from other species is a fundamental concept in the development of genetically modified organisms.
Okay, so that is transgenic. Okay, so why did I am asking you to look at the keywords? Okay, so that you will have an idea on what to look for. Number 2, crop yield. What is crop yield? Maria, can you please read?
Crop yield refers to the amount of crop produced per day of land. GMOs are often designed to increase crop yield by agriculture related to global food security.
Okay, please don't copy anything. I'll be sending the PowerPoint presentation later after that one. Number 3, can you please read, Angela? What is or GMO? Genetic. Okay, very good. So how about the next one, number 4? Can you please read yes through?
Genetically modified organisms. The first living organism whose genetic material is evaluated DNA as
Altered.
using genetic engineering.
Okay, very good. How about the last one? Can you please read? Alain?
Biodiversity refers to the variety of life in a particular ecosystem. Risks associated with GMO include concern about the potential impact on biodiversity due to the
Widespread.
widespread cultivation of
Please, one number.
of genetically
Modified crops. Very good. Thank you. Okay, everyone please sit properly. No selfie please. Baka makakalimutan tayo. Okay, how about the last one? Can you please read Ella? United Kingdom meaning? Castle? Okay. So, thank you very much. Okay, so what is GMO? Okay, so GMO, again, is genetically modified organism, or GMO. This refers to living organisms like us, we're living, right? Okay, whose genetic material, typically DNA, has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. Okay, so this manipulation allows scientists to introduce special traits or characteristics into an organism. Okay, that would naturally occur through conventional breeding methods. Okay, so again, GMO has risks and has benefits, which we are going to study later as we move along. Okay, so this is the history of genetic modification. Okay, so actually I'm going to show you a timeline of genetic modification. I already provided it in your EDSCI. Okay, for modern agriculture. So it started way back 1900s until now. Okay, so if you're going to look at the tomatoes, look. So as an example, a small tomato, which is genetically modified, became bigger. Tama ba? Nag-improve o hindi? Nag-improve ba? Okay, so we can also do this to animals and also to, what else? Just want to plants and then vegetables. We can do this. Tama ba? Tama mali? Okay, like for example, local, alam niyo ba yung local eggplant, yung maliliit? Yung talong na maliliit. Okay, so yung mga mahabang talong, that is already, hindi na siya locally made. Ano na siya? Sa ibang bansa na siya. So ang ginagawa nila is i-breed nila, kinukuhanan nila ng DNA para mag-breed, which will give bigger. Pero, syempre may risks and benefits. Like for example, yung mga nanay natin, like for example, me, mas gusto ko yung maliliit tulog kasi mas mataas siya yung eggplant na maliliit yung local. Okay? So, yung mahabang eggplant na kulay violet, that is not locally made, pero nag-breed na siya. Okay, like for example, tomatoes, yun, pinalaki nga siya. Okay, so later on, we will study about the benefits and risks. Okay? Actually, GMOs contribute to advancement in scientific research. Okay, so pwede rin kung animals, ginagamit din nila. Tapos yung animals na yun ay ginagamit nila para makapag-research on how to cure diseases, like example, cancer. Okay? So, kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng genetically modified organism or GMO. Hindi lang dahil gusto natin. It is being still used for scientific research, agriculture, and biomedical studies. Okay, so it is diverse and impactful. Okay, it has laboratory research to address global challenges in food production. Okay, so ginagamit lang po ito ngayon. In the past, until now. Okay, kasi mapapansin nyo, ang like for example, ang onions and tomatoes ay marami lang kapag panahon ng summer. Tama? If it is already rainy season, wala na. Bakit? Namumulok. Pag maraming tubig, namumulok. Anong ginagawa nila? So they are using GMO in order to modify the genes para hindi madaling masira o mabulok. Okay. Okay, so like for example, so sa animals, they are being used, okay, as models in laboratory research. Like for example, yung mice, di ba usually yun yung ginagamit nila? So they serve as valuable tools to study specific genes and their functions, especially in relation to health and disease. Like for example, if they are parang looking for something, a medication for asthma, a medication for cancer, chronic diseases, anong ginagawa nila? Okay? So, ang ginagawa po nila ay gumagamit sila ng animals. At yun yung ginagawa nila na laboratory experiment. Okay? Pero, meron tayong mga situations, like for example na meron mga ibang tao na against dito na ginagamit yung animals as lab pond para yung mga ginagamit sila. Sino nakanood mo sa Dawn of the Apes? Planet of the Apes?
Yes.
Iba galing siya sa laboratory research, tapos ginagamit siyang parang pang-research for diseases, paggawa ng medicines, gano'n. Tapos iba nagkaroon ng outbreak ng virus, tapos naging matalino sila. Okay, that is only science fiction. Pero, hindi rin natin alam if may happen or not. Okay, the genetically modified animals help in researches through biological processes, peptide modification, development exons, for virus formulations. Like for example, alam mo, in 19th century, diba? She is a scientist already. Okay, so they are using animals to test the medications for cancer. So, gumahanap sila ng way to cure cancer. Okay? So, that is laboratory research. Okay? That's number one. And then number two is human consumption. Ano po yung human consumption? These are the people food na nauubos natin. Okay? So, we develop, yung example ko kanina about onions and tomatoes. Okay, GMOs are developed for human consumption. Like for example, yung genetically engineered salmon in the US is created. Bakit sila ginawa? Bakit sila GMO? Okay, para mag-mature na mabilis. Like for example, kung 45 days yung maturity, from maliit, lalaki, iikli, magiging 30 days lang. Okay? So, pinadali nila. Okay? So, yan, genetically modified things ang tawag ko. Okay? So, we have also genetically modified crops such as corn, soybeans, and sugar beets. Okay? So, this is prevalent in the food industry. Okay? So, approximately 90% of these crops in the market are GMO. Lahat na magiging 90%. Lahat halos sila ay GMO, which can give higher yields o mas mataas na production. Instead of producing 10, magiging times 250. Okay? Longer shelf life, hindi mabilis mahulog. Okay? Resistant to disease and pests, ibig sabihin, hindi madaling masira. Okay? Because of pests, yung mga insects. And then, it can also improve the taste of the food. Okay? Agriculture. Ano naman nangyayari sa agriculture? Kung may tanong ko, magpaasan ang kamay na. Okay, so genetically engineered crops plays crucial role in agriculture. Okay, so it gives advantages to both farmers and consumers. Bakit? Sa tingin nyo? Sa agriculture. Kapag tumaas yung production, ano mangyayari sa farmers? Malulungkot ba sila? Hindi. Kasi lalaki yung kanilang Okay, so the GMO or the modified food can also be pest-resistant crops. Okay? It also reduces the needs of pesticides. Hindi na ganun maraming pesticides ang kailangan. Okay? It also contribute to environmental sustainability. Bakit? Sa tingin nyo, pag gumagamit ng fertilizer na hindi, ano nangyayari? Ha? Oh, ano nangyayari naman? Nagpupulot ba ang ating... Ha? Nagkakaroon sa umasa ba? Pero, meron tayong tinatawag na inorganic and organic fertilizer, di ba? Oh, pag sinabing organic, galing sa natural, sa mga di ba? Tama ba?
Yes.
Tapos yung mga dry leaves, tama? Pag inorganic, chemicals. Ano ang nangyayari sa inorganic? Nakakapos ba siya ng, nakakapos ba sa tao, sa environment? Okay. Now we go to the next one, which is biomedical research. Kanina nabanggit ko ito. Yung biomedical research, diba? Bakit ginagamitan natin ng GMO ang animals, diba? Anong nangyayari? We use that for research to cure diseases, okay? In order to understand the genetic disorder and to develop potential therapy kung paano natin gagamitin. Okay? So, next. So, we're done with that. So, what are the benefits of genetically modified organisms? Sino may alam? Sino may sagot? Any idea? Bago ko next slide. You have any idea? Kahit isa lang. Anong benefits niya? Adina.
One of the benefits po is that it will help to improve the life of type of crop. And also avoid it from having pests.
Oh, yun. Okay. Another answer. Very good. Another answer. Ano ang tingin mo? Joy. What are the benefits of GMOs? Best. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's go to the next slide now. So we have increased crop yield. Okay, so when we modify a certain plant or vegetable, it will increase the crop yield. Ibig sabihin, dadami yung ani. Instead of having 10, mag-double siya or mag-triple siya, magiging 20 na. Okay? So, second one would be, it can also be modified to be more resistant to environment stressors and drought. Ano may drought? Yung pagtuyo. Yung kapag walang masyadong ulan. Okay? So next is pest and disease resistance. Okay, sinabi kanina na yun. Okay, genetically modified plants is pest and disease resistance. In fact, okay, it can also bring improved nutritional content. So instead of having, halimbawa, yung isang dalandan, we only have 30% of vitamin C. Pag na-GMO na siya, it can have, instead of 30 times 2, sabihin mo ng 90 or 60% vitamin C. So, mas mataas ang nutritional content. Okay? So, it can also extend shelf life. So, instead, halimbawa, 1 week sa labas ng ref, tsaka siya mapupulo. Okay, instead of having that, mag-increase yung shelf life niya, it can be fixed. Okay, everyone needs to properly. Malakpak na po tayo ng isa. Another one. Okay, gising na po. Okay, so gising na po. Okay, so next. It can be environmentally sustained. Okay, ano ibig sabihin nun? Okay, so it can reduce the reliance for chemical pesticides and herbicides. Okay? So, the farmers may use pure chemicals, minimizing the environmental impact. Kasi hindi ito maganda sa environment, hindi pesticide. Okay? So, question. Okay, so what are the risks? Kung may benefits, syempre may risk din. Ano naman po yung risk niya? One, okay, unintended environmental consequences. Ano mangyayari? Okay, so, introduction of genetically modified organisms in the ecosystem may lead to unintended environmental consequences. Ano yun? Okay, so there is a concern that the modified gene could spread to non-GMO plants through crossbreeding, potentially disrupting the natural ecosystem. Okay, like for example, sa tomatoes. If we have the local tomatoes that na-breed natin sa tomatoes from other country, lumaki, tapos there's a possibility na yun na yun na ang gagamitin, mawawala na yung local tomatoes natin. Sa eggplant, yun hindi. Kasi mas masarap yung eggplant na malak na yung local. Sino may alam yun? Sino yung local? Alam mo yung bilog? Ayun, yung bilog na eggplant, mas matamis kasi yun. Yung mahabang eggplant, hindi siya ganun katamis. Kasi ano na yun eh. Most of them are genetically modified already. Okay, so next. Human health concerns. Bakit? Nakakakos ko siya ng sakit. Ang sagot ay okay. Anong sagot? Okay, so ang question dito is the long-term impact of GMO. Okay, so meron siyang kasi genetically modified siya. There's a possibility that it has allergens or it can cause allergic reaction. Okay, hindi pa siya maaari lang makakos ng allergic reaction. Okay? Ano pa? Ethical and social concerns. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Sino ang, according to the Bible, sino ang bunga na lahat ng living system natin? According to science. Big Bang Theory, diba? Okay. So, ano ang ethical and social concerns ng genetically modified organisms? Okay? So, it raised the concerns about playing nature's role. Diba? Like for example, yung tomatoes, ginawa ng Diyos naman. So, palalakuhin mo, mag-role-play ka ng God. Okay? So, that is nature's role. Okay? Concern about the ownership of genetic resources, patenting of modified organisms, and social equity in access to and benefits from GMO are subject to ethical debate. Ito yung sinasabi sa inyo. Meron mga situations na pini-question nila ito, yung genetically modified organisms. Kasi nga may ethical basis siya. Like for example, ginawa ng Diyos ng genetically modified, ganito ang tsura, tapos mapagbubuhay to GMO. Okay, so there's an ethical debates about this. Okay, so we are not going to tackle this anymore kasi medyo malayo na siya malaki. Okay? So, resistance and evolution of this. Ito, resistance na nga, diba? To pest. Okay? But it can also lead to emergence of superbugs and superweeds. Okay? Superbugs. Ano yung superbugs? Yung malalaking bugs na hindi mo na pwedeng pesticide kasi hindi na tumatalag sa kanila yung pesticides kasi they are genetically modified. Or, super weeds like yung malalaking grasses na hindi na rin makuha ng pagpatay ng grass. Okay? So, it will also create problems. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag may benefits, merong risk. Okay. Any question? Okay, may tanong pa po ba? Okay, loss of biodiversity. I don't know how to biodiversity. Anyone? Ha? Imbalance sa? Oo, biological diversity. pagkakaiba natin. Very good. Okay, so magkakaroon ng ng loss, ng pagkatanggal or pagkabawas, loss of biodiversity. Biodiversity is biological differences or diversity, pagkakaiba-iba ng plants and animals. Kung gusto naman natin, lahat ng plants ay malaki. Okay, so magkakaroon na po ng loss of biodiversity. Hindi mo naman nalaman, ano ba ito, tomato, big tomato, ano ba ito? So meron tayong cherry tomatoes, maliit. Meron talaga tayong medium tomatoes and big tomatoes. Eh kung lahat, the GMO natin into big tomatoes, eh paano ng cherry tomatoes? So mawawala na yung diversity or biodiversity or biological diversity. Okay. Okay, so let's have a short review for what we have learned. Any question ba? May hindi po ba naiintindihan? Wala po. So what we have learned, can you please read? Once read. Yan. Okay, so ako magkakasan muna this presentation on genetically modified organisms. We explored the science, application benefits, and risks associated with genetic modification scheme. Takeaways include, number 1, okay, number 2, can you please read 10 to 9? Yes, Rhea. Okay, Rhea. Okay, so number 2, can you please read Jera? Okay, thank you, Jera. Can you please read number 3, Fernandez? I'm sorry. Yes. Okay, thank you. How about number 3? Can you please read Ella?
They play a vital role in scientific advancements, food production, and
Okay, thank you. Okay. So how about number 4? Can you please read Jerome?
Benefits of choosing to give increase traffic, addresses global insecurity, present business uses and more chemical pesticides, improve nutritional content benefits human health, establishment environmental
Sustainability.
is promoted through reduced chemical
Okay, thank you, Jerome. Okay, so number 5. Can you please read, who wants to read? Sino ang gusto magbasa? Yes, Rhea? Okay, so thank you. Okay, so now huli yung what we have done. So as a conclusion, I'll name. Okay.
One GMO offers significant benefits. It's crucial to carefully consider and address potential risks. Ongoing research, safety assessment, and responsible agriculture practices are essential for maximizing benefits while minimizing Negative impact.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to have an activity. So you already know this. So I would like you to face your partner, pay your chair, and bring out your index card. Okay, so bring out your index card. Okay, so what are we going to do again? First thing, I will pose a question, a thought-provoking question. And then, fourth thing, you will think about the question. Sa sarili lang muna, ha? When I say pair, okay, you will do brainstorming with your partner. Okay? Susulat nyo sa index card kung ano yung mga sagot nyo nasa isip or what you have, yung napag-usapan nyo. Okay? And then here, I will ask you to share it in class. This could be, actually you can volunteer if you want. Do you have a partner? O, yan na lang. Ilan kayo? Sino walang partner po? Sino walang partner? Ali, dalawa kayo. And then Angelo, dalawa. Then tatlo. Okay? So let's start. Okay, so this is the thought-provoking question. Sino magbaka sa akin yung please read, Angelo? Yan. May basa po. Features. Oh.
How would you meet how can you do social
Okay, so I will read the next. Thank you, Angelo. If you had a power to design a magical plant, yan ha, that would help farmers grow more food with fewer resources, less water, less pesticides, okay, or fertilizer, okay? What special feature would your plant have? Imagine nyo. Okay, sa inyo muna sarili, hatin muna din. And then how would you make sure that your magical plant will help people, animal, and the environment without causing any harm? Angelo, think muna. And then how can we use science and teamwork to create solutions that will benefit everyone? Okay, think first, wala mo na kung mag-huddle or brainstorm. Think, I'll be giving you 1 minute break. At Ina, May, and Mark, kayo, tatlo kami. Kaya ba ng 1 minute or 2 minutes? Ha? O, sige. Parang ayaw niya ng dalawa. You already have the question, di ba? Ayan. Uy, wala. Angelo. Angelo. Wala. answers in your index card. Kung ano yung sabi yung sabi. Tapos at the back of the index card later, yung share, ay yung pair. You will pair and then do brainstorming. Sino partner? Partner ka with them. Okay, next one. Okay, so we have 1 and 50. Just let me know if you're done already, so we can go to sharing. May tanong po ba? Wala naman. Okay, maliwanag pa? Or do you have something in mind? Meron kayong hindi naintindihan? Done already? Already pa. Sige, let's wait for them. Yung matapos na, basahin nyo muli yung sinulat nyo sa index card. And then, okay, so if you can add something, or review. Matatagal. Parang 1 hour ito. Ayan,
I think 2 hours.
oo nga eh. Sorry, siya. Are we done? Sorry pabili na lang natin. Done na po. Kapag mo lang 2 hours na sorry Mali. Okay? So, dapat 2 minutes lang. Okay. Questions? Done na ba?
Yes.
Okay. Are we done? Pencils up. Sorry mali. Okay? Ayan. So, we're done. So, I think it's time to share. Will 2 minutes enough for all of you? 2 minutes to share? Tama lang? Anyone? Tama lang ba? Okay.
Yes.
So let's start sharing. Okay, so we still have 1 more minute. time. Okay, so it's already time. Okay, so let's have the sharing now. Unti-unting nalalagdag ang ating Christmas tree. Okay, so turn this off. Here. Okay, anyway. Okay, if you had the power to design a magical plant that would help farmers grow more food with fewer resources, what special features would your plant have? And then how would you make sure that your magical plant helps people, animals, and the environment without causing any harm? And then how can we use science in works to create solutions that would benefit everyone? Who wants to answer? Who wants to answer? Sino bang gusto? Atina's group? Sila muna. Atina's group. You want to answer? Tayo po yung grupo ni Athena. Ayan. Tayo po yung grupo niya. Ayan. Ayan. Sige.
If I were to design a magical plant, I would make the plant that helps purify its characteristic would be it would make more oxygen and boost than the average plant, making the environment surrounding it healthy. It can be fresh air and have more resources. And number two, it's like a liquid like a giant slug cup that keeps plastic and turns it into a serum that can be used to boost the immune system and fight diseases, which will help solve the issue about the garbage and plastic waste and also the issue about having human diseases. And this plant is a genetically modified organism that is a mixture of a famous plant DNA, a giant green tree, and some organic plants that cure sickness.
Okay. So, nagustuhan niyo yung plant nila? Very good. Maganda ba yung plant niya? Okay. So, how about others? Very good. Let's clap for them. How about others? Okay. What magical plant would you have? Sino naman ang gusto sumagot? Yes, Angela. Sino yung part ng Angela? Ay, Angela.
My magical plant will be a rapid growth that will facilitate what we need to learn.
Lakas ang. Make your voice down.
My magical plant will be have a rapid growth capabilities. They require the minimal water and natural habitat to spread the resources.
Plant,
Okay na? Okay. So, very good. Let's clap for them. How about others? Sino pa? Last one. Yes, Rhea. Rhea and Amy. Amy. Tayo. Okay, very good. Okay, let's clap for them. Okay, last one, ha? Okay, Yanni. Yanni and Ella. Stand up. Okay, very good. Let's stop. Okay, so, do you have any questions? Did you enjoy the lesson? Yes. So, we're going to have a process, and then we'll check it. So let's see if those scores on the board you can do. Okay, so I'll be giving you your post test. Again, please write your name and the date today, December 11. Okay, and then you may do this in your quiz notebook. Okay? You may write your name now, and then again, it's just the same one. It's a multiple choice type of test. It's only 5 points. All you have to do is encircle the best answer. Okay, you can start now. No looking at your classmate purpose. Any extra? May kulang pa ba? Okay, pencils up if you're done on paper. Let's wait for the others and let them, let's wait for mine. Okay, so exchange paper, please. Thank you. So let's check. Okay, so what is the answer again for? Let me check. Number 1, I will read the question. Give me the answer. Number 1, what is the primary goal of genetically modified organisms? Jerome. C, stand up and then read the answer. Okay, C, enhancing crop heritage. Number 2, which of the following is a potential advantage associated with the use of GMO? Yes, Angelo.
Letter C, improving substances.
Okay, very good. Letter C. Number 3, in what way can GMO affect human health? Yeah. Answer is? Okay, very good. Number 4, who wants to answer it? Alnay. What does the analysis of the impact of GMOs encompass?
Letter B.
B is
Agricultural, environment, and human health.
agriculture.
Agriculture,
Okay.
environment, and human health.
Okay, very good. Number 5, yes, I. Listen. What is a potential drawback associated with the use of GMO in agriculture? Okay, letter C, possible harms to non-GMO crops. Okay, please write the score over 5 and then I will give it back to the owner. Okay? May I know how many got 5? Got 1. Nag-improve ba? Yes. Any question? Itanong po ba? Naintindihan niyo? Yes. Okay, so yes, it's time for us to go. Okay, so next time, we will see each other by Wednesday, right? Okay, so everyone stand up. I forgot. Okay, I'll be sending this in your GC. Okay, so this is your homework for genetically modified organisms. Okay, so that's your homework. Don't worry, I'll be sending this in your GC. Research and recent news article or scientific study related to GMO and provide a summary of the findings. Pwede po news article sa newspaper. O kaya, pwede rin po sa Google as long as it has an author and date. Okay, question? Yeah. Goodbye, class.